Hello, my name is Benjamin, and today I wanted to show you my Berwick 1707 Goodyear-welted quality shoes. So I bought these guys on sale. They are actually 239 euros, but I got them for roughly 145. So let's see. It's the model 2639. The Berwick website is not the most informative website, so I don't think that model is even on that on the website. So let me just show you what I got. So let's open this box. There is a little tote, which I like. And I basically got the display model because the store was closing down. So this is it. My wonderful Oxfords in black. So as you can see, it's the display model, so it has a little bit of wear. That's fine with me. And here is the other one. So let me get the box out of the way so you guys can better see what this is about. So basically we have, of course, the Goodyear welted stitching, a little bit of rubber here, and the leather feels alright. Does feel a little thin, in my opinion. You can see it is already kind of cracking here. Let's see if the light will pick it up. I mean, from the first impression, I would say, you know, they're worth 145 euros for sure, but in my opinion, they're not worth 240 euros. I don't know, they, compared to my shoe passions, they feel a little bit of less quality. But let's see, I'm gonna try them on. Alright, so I put on my shoes, and this is how they look like with jeans. They look kind of nice, in my opinion. The black leather is beautiful, it's a little shiny, which I like. Okay, so let me know what you guys think. Do you think they're worth 140 euros? Do you think they're worth 240 euros? In my opinion, it's kind of a weird price tag because 140 euros is not cheap. But so I probably would get either higher quality shoes in the like 300 euro mark as the shoe passions, or go well below the 100 euro mark. So it's just basically throwaway shoes. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you soon.